How to install EUROSIX fibre cement sheets as side cladding. Briarwood's EUROSIX fibre cement sheets can be used as a suitable cladding option for all types of structures. When installing fibre cement sheets to clad your structure, there are two fixing methods: top fix fastening and valley fixing. In this video, we have used the top fix fastening method to fix the sheeting to the side of our demo structure. For the purpose of this video, we have cut our fibre cement sheets to length so that they will fit the side of our demo rig. When fixing the sheeting into the side rails, they must be fixed at 1825mm maximum side rail centres with a maximum of 2 fixings per side rail per sheet. Here is a diagram showing the recommended layout of sheeting when installing EUROSIX on the side of a structure. Please refer to our UK map to determine your specific requirements. At the head of each sheet, when using the top fix fastening method, you should place 2 support clips per sheet to help support the weight of the sheet above. Please see the diagram showing the positioning of the support clip using our top fix fastening method. The support clips should be fabricated from galvanised steel bar and folded to suit. Mitering is required when installing fibre cement sheets to stop the build-up of 4 layers. Tap the video on the screen to learn how to mitre EUROSIX fibre cement sheets. Using the same installation process as when you would install the sheeting on the roof, continue to lay, fix and mitre the sheeting accordingly. Please do not hesitate to contact our technical department if you require further assistance.